Hello and welcome to another lesson in the creation of our school management system using Microsoft Excel and Word with the GeForce IT Service Academy. This is the lesson 36 in the creation of our school management system using Microsoft Excel and Word. In lesson 35, we started working on our teachers' Emis data table. We started referring data from the teachers' details here to the teachers' Emis data table. So in this lesson 36, we are just going to continue straightforward and do another cell referencing. We are going to continue to refer data from a particular sheet to another sheet. So if you are new to the channel, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you turn on the notification bell icon for all. Make sure that you like and share this video with your friends and family members to also benefit from us on this channel. Please don't forget to drop your comment in the comment section, and don't forget to check the description of this video to get more of our videos on how to create a school management system using Microsoft Excel and Word. We have from lesson 1 up till the final lesson in the description of this video, so please make sure that you check the description of the video so that you'll be able to get those videos as well. Alright, so let's get started without wasting much time. Alright, so we are going to do some kind of demarcation here. This is the teachers Emis data table. Here is the teachers Emis data table, and this was our previous work. So let's just scroll to the other side of the teachers Emis data table. In our previous lesson, we dealt with this one too as well. So we have a particular column here on the teachers Emis data table. So let's scroll to that side. Now with this side, we are going to do some demarcation for the signature column. So let's search for that one here. So we have the first one here. We want to refer each teacher from the Emis data table to this particular column here. So what we are going to do is that we are going to give this one a background color. We are going to give all the signature sections a background color. So let's click on it like this. Then we come to the home tab here like this. Then we go for background. So which background color are we going to give to the signature section there? So let's give it this background color. Good. So let's scroll to the other side again. Let's search for another signature section. Then we give it that same color, or it can even be a different color, but just make sure that you demarcate it. If you didn't do that in the process of creating this school management system, it is going to disturb you. So please make sure that you follow the lesson. Make sure that you watch the lesson from the beginning to the end. Don't skip any part. Please don't skip any part. Make sure that you watch everything. You pay attention to the whole lesson from the beginning to the end so that you understand everything. If you skip any part of this lesson, you miss something very important. Alright, so let's select this one once again. Please check it. Let me undo this action and do it for you again to see. Please, you have to place your cursor here, your mouse pointer here, then you select everything. Good. So we gave it the background color here. Then we move to the next one. We search for the next signature section or the next signature column. We select it like this. We go to the home tab, click on the background color. Then we move to the next one again. Please follow the lesson carefully, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell icon so that when we upload a new video, you'll be able to get a notification and watch that particular video and learn from it as well. Alright, so let's go to the home tab again. We give it a background color like that, some nice background color. Then we move to the next signature column. So we have another one here. Let's select all. Let's select all like this. Good. Please take your time and do all this so that it will not mess up the work that you have done from the beginning up to this point. So we select this one again. We go to the home tab, give it a background color. Then we move to the next signature section like this. we select this one, then we come to the home tab again, we give it a background color, then we go to the next signature section or the next signature column. We select it like this, we come to this side, we give it a background color like this, then we move to the next signature section or the next signature column like this, then we give it a background color. Please don't forget to share this video with your friends to also watch this video and learn from it on this one and only educative channel on YouTube, the GeForce IT Service Academy. So we give it a background color like that, then we move to the next one, the next signature column here, then we go to the home tab like this, we give it a nice background color, then we move to the next one like this here, we select everything. Please check what we are doing. We are working on only the signature columns here. We are working on only the signature column because we are going to use it in the process of our cell referencing. So come to the home tab again, select the background color, we move to the next one. So you select this one again, then we go to the home tab, give it a background color like this, then we move to the next one again. So here is another one, you select all like this, then we go to the home tab like this, we give it a nice background color. The background color, you can decide to use this same color or you choose your own color. It's not compulsory to use the color that I'm using. It depends on the color that you like. So you have choice. You have the opportunity to select the color that you want. You have to decide on the color that you use for that particular demarcation. Please make sure that you subscribe to the channel because we are not charging you for these lessons. We don't charge people for these lessons. So the only thing that you can do to support us is to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell icon for all. Then you share this video with your friends and family members to also benefit from us. You like and share this video. Drop your comments on the new contents that you want. In case you face any challenge, drop your comment. Alright, so we demarcate this section too. Then we move to this side. Once again, we select all like this. Then we select this one at the home tab, we gave it the same background color, then we move to the next one. So it depends on the number of teachers that you are developing this system for. I'm developing this system for 200 teachers. Maybe you are developing your own for 500, 1,000, 3,000, it depends. So you do the same demarcation for all the signature columns or the signature sections inside this system. So I won't be able to do all. I will not be able to do all, so I'll leave the rest for you. I'll do my own too. Then we'll meet in lesson 37 because we don't want this video to be long. We would like to end it here and continue in lesson 37. So don't forget to save your work. Ctrl S to save your work, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell icon for all, like and share this video with your friends. So thank you very much for watching. Let's meet in lesson 37. Bye bye.